Introducing Glassless Mirror from Mirrorlite, the safer, lighter, and better-looking alternative to glass mirrors. Glassless Mirror offers superior optical quality and is lightweight, making it easy to install. No need to search for a stud. Just mount it directly to drywall. Our mirror is shatterproof and low maintenance, making it the ideal choice for your dance studios, fitness centers, theatrical events, architectural interiors, and more. Glassless Mirror can be made in most shapes, sizes, and colors, including a foldable version so you can grab and go. For a quote or more information, visit us at glasslessmirror.com. Mirrorlite Glassless Mirrors, the ultimate choice for freestanding mirrors and mirrored surfaces.